unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Egg and olive oil mask. This mask boosts hair growth and adds strength. Mix 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply to your scalp and hair. Leave for 30 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Banana and honey mask. This duo promotes growth and hydration. Blend 1 ripe banana with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply, leave for 20 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. Aloe vera and castor oil mask. Aloe vera nourishes, while castor oil stimulates growth. Combine equal parts. Apply to your scalp, leave overnight, and wash out in the morning.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.